see everything unfold. Because Dogs and Cats Everywhere starts now. The address is City TV Plus.
On the WB.
New era, new beginning. Everyone's in network time. Dogs and Cats Everywhere. Oi, mates. Next week is Halloween, y'all. Got something to say about that?
That is totally right, my owner.
What did you do, Maxine?
I've already talked to my owner, Robin, to bring the Halloween decorations.
I see. What's your question, Normie?
Where the fuck is Sammy Kerry?
Haven't I told you this yet? She's at Kevin 04 Lincoln, getting a new plug-in hybrid version of the Nautilus. That same place where Howard Belafonte got his Ford Ranger Raptor.
You are correct on that.
Molly, what have you speak to Coda for?
I have asked Coda to build a charging station outside our front yard.
Well, whenever she comes home, I will let you know.
I can't wait to see it.
I have been told that she is also giving her wheels a red striped looking.
Okay. Oh, Coda, you're back. Are you finished?
Alright, I just got done with building the charging station.
Well, very good. Very fucking good. Guys, where the fuck is Leonard?
London. We don't know where he is.
Well, let me guess. He's getting another vehicle?
No, I don't think so.
That's awkward. Hey, is Cordelia and Spotty here?
Cordelia and Spawny is with their caretakers Fabrizio, Sammy, and Groot. These two wanted to tag along.
Is that so?
Yes, it is.
Uh-huh. What is that like to you?
It's just like getting a fancy Ford Falcon.
You are right.
What about the Holden Commodore?
Yes, that one too.
If I can bring these two here to Arkansas, you can take these two for a spin.
Yeah. I hope Jonathan agrees, along with Connor.
What about the Kingswood?
The Kingswood? You are not taking the Kingswood? We can't afford that.
Enough, mate.
Okay, mate.
Sander, you must have been acting on drugs, mate. Go sort your shit out. Cool, Mom and Jared. It appears that both of you did not happen to like these shitty fucking wheels that the Nautilus came with. Not to worry. Sammy is gonna fix that with some red striped wheels.
That will be much appreciated.
Well, let's sure hope Leonard doesn't complain about it.
He will never do that.
Sparta, what's your question?
Where is Red?
He's with Robin to get some lunch.
Is that right?
Yes, it is, Smokey.
Robin might get a refreshed Nissan Rogue.
Then she'll fucking do it then, Glenny boy.
Chilito, does that tell you something?
I don't know.
I think they're back already. Red, where you been?
That space should be about a 1/4 inch apart. You don't want any more.
I got all of you some McDonald's.
Oh, thanks, Red, for some McDonald's. You deserve a raise for that.
Wipe it down, and you're all done. Have any questions or comments? Hit us up here at Mojo.
Hey, Landon.
How do you like my brand new plug-in hybrid Nautilus with some red striped wheels?
It's fucking fabulous. Hey, Spawny.
Yeah!
Put the car in the garage.
Alrighty then.
And now for 2023, it's only getting better. The best news is that all-wheel drive models see range increases from 256 to 200.
So tell me, Fabrizio, how much did you pay for that?
I paid $12,300 for the car and $2,000 for the wheels.
With the standard rear-wheel drive setup is good for 300.
Have you seen Leonard?
That is my concern, Cordelia. I don't know where he is.
58 kilowatt-hour battery, reaching 220 miles of range.
He better be in the garage.
Said standard range model see a big towing increase from 1,000.
I guess he doesn't feel like buying another car today.
But why?
He's probably exhausted after getting all those cars.
And?
So far, he has 9 vehicles in his own garage.
Oh, Croven's here.
Croven, did you find Leonard? Tell Landon the truth or you're fired.
Yes, he's in his garage fixing his Bronco Raptor.
It's a good thing he's still there. I'm going over there to have a few words with him.
Go ahead.
Thanks, Squashakal. The fuck were you?
Landon, I have finally done it. I have created my latest invention.
For fuck's sake, Leonard, what the hell have you done now?
To answer your question, my Bronco Raptor was suffering from a severe lack of fueling, so I've gone down online to Rockto, and I have purchased this high-pressure fuel pump.
Leonard, that is not a fuel pump, that is a pool pump.
This bad boy pumps up to 450 liters per minute, meaning I can dump my entire tank through the engine in a matter of seconds.
Resulting in a combustion sequence that this world is yet to witness.
Leonard, stop! You're going to destroy your engine and fuel injectors in that Bronco Raptor.
There's no need to fear, Landon. This is all being pumped into the indestructible twin-turbo 3.0 liter V6 through these hose nozzles I found at Bunnings.
Behold, the most powerful Ford Bronco Raptor in the world.
Leonard, no! I'm gonna get him back for this. To be continued in the next episode. And now it's time for sign off. Well, guys, this now concludes our broadcasting for today on ATN7, the WB, the CW, UPN, Discovery, and our newest member, City TV Plus. And now, stick around for what's ahead. Thanks for watching Dogs and Cats Everywhere. Don't miss a new episode every Friday night next week on City TV Plus. Right now, everyone is going to bed. From all of us at this channel, we wish you all a very special good night. So until then, this is me signing out. Good night, everybody.